Okay, so today we're gonna be watching science experiments that literally look like magic tricks. Especially this first one. Like, watch this. It looks like it's from a movie. Oh my gosh. Bro, how is that even real? You know what this looks like? This looks like a giant pile of ice cream. If I didn't know this was a science experiment, I probably would have started licking this. Like, come on, look at that and tell me it doesn't look delicious.
Create your own fire snake.
What?
This is a
fire snake.
Don't be scared. It's mainly made of carbon and it doesn't bite. Here's
What
how you
the-
can create yours in 5 simple steps.
Okay.
Step 1. Fill an old bowl with sand. Be careful, the sand must be dry.
Okay, that's a
Step
hand
2,
though,
soak
not
the
a bowl.
sand in lighter fluid. Step 3. Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda with 4 tablespoons sugar.
By the way, guys, I know these are steps, but don't do this. I don't know if this is safe or not, but I feel like they're giving us
Step 4,
steps to make a
pour
bomb.
the sugar, baking soda mixture into a pile on top of the sand.
Okay.
Step 5. Finally, use a lighter to ignite the lighter fluid.
Guys, like I said, don't do this at home.
Now you just need to wait for chemistry to do its job.
Oh,
it will
what
create
the-
a fire snake that seems to come out directly from the sand.
What's the point of that? That kind of seems like a waste of supplies. Ew, what is that? Why does that also look delicious? I kind of want to lick that. Am I weird for that? That looks like ice cream. Oh, okay, never mind. Not anymore. Ugh. Oh, they're making like a volcano. Oh, that looks sick. Okay, that looks super sick. Bro, that's a hard background photo. Like, I might make that the background of my phone. That looks sick. Like, if you put some cool music behind that, that looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Bro just created a homemade rocket. Oh, it went that far? Bro, that's actually crazy. I hope they went to go pick that back up. They just left it in the tree. What the heck did he just pour on the ground? And he's lighting it on fire. Oh! Okay, that looks like something out of Harry Potter, bro. Bro just casted a spell on the ground. Okay, if you ever watch Harry Potter, you know that scene where literally Voldemort and Harry Potter are fighting? That's what this looks like. What? That looks sick. Okay, that's something I might want to do at home. But you guys shouldn't, okay? Because I'm a professional. Not really. Okay, what do we got here? Is this cooking? Oh, that's ice, right? What the heck? Whoa. Okay, that's like a giant cloud bubble. That's cool. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, with the bowl and the smoke and what she's wearing, it kind of gives you like Halloween witch vibes. You know what I mean? It looks like she's making a potion or something. I don't know.
This isn't magic. It's a cool little science experiment.
What is that?
Here's how it works. Take a frozen strawberry and drop it into super
What
cold
the
water.
heck? Okay.
The water around the strawberry instantly freezes.
Oh,
That's the secret behind
kinda weird.
freezing water on contact. Just place the frozen strawberry in super cooled water, and
Bro.
it'll turn to ice immediately.
Yeah, I would not put my hand in that. That looks scary. I feel like if I put my hand in that, like my hand's gone forever. I have to cut it off.
Pretty fascinating, right? Now, let's
What
make
the-
a color-changing cup. Start by using red paper to outline a design on a cup, and
Okay.
stick smaller pieces of red paper on it. Paint the center with nail polish. Once it's done, this cup will change color as soon as you pour hot water in.
Bro,
To make
that's
it,
actually super
first stick a
cool.
strip of red tape on the cup and trace its edges. Next, add a smaller piece of red tape inside,
Okay.
trace it again, and paint the inner area with nail polish. That's it.
How do
When
people
you
figure
add
this
hot
stuff
water,
out?
It changes color instantly. So cool.
Wait,
That's
when's it gonna
science for
change
you.
color?
Simple,
Oh, it's
fun,
changing
and
yellow.
amazing.
That's pretty cool, but that's like something I probably wouldn't do because if I drink water, I just want to drink water. I don't care about color changes. Hydrogen peroxide, citric acid, iodine. Oh my gosh, what does that even do? Hopefully it's not a bomb. Wait, thumbprint. What? Whoa, okay, that's like some CIA, FBI stuff. Oh my gosh. Is that how cops like get fingerprints? That's actually pretty cool. All right, we got some baking soda, food coloring. I want to see like a cool explosion. That's what I want to see. Vinegar. Oh my gosh, it's like making a bubbly, I guess. I don't know. What? What's the point of this science experiment? Just to make bubbles? What was that? Bro, some of these science experiments are just like a waste of supplies. Like, what was the point of that? Easy science for kids. Okay. Empty highlighter. What the? And pour an egg in it? Wait, what is this? Wait, 24 hours. I hope you're not eating that. The shell has dissolved. Oh, a glow-in-the-dark egg? Oh my gosh. Why the heck would we need that? Who thought of this? They're like, you know what the world needs right now? A glow-in-the-dark egg. Simple science for kids. Drinking water. Okay. Ice and rock salt. All right, we're whipping out the timer. When the temp is under 15, frozen plate. Oh, whoa, you can build with water? Wait, what? Bro, that's kind of cool. That's kind of like Minecraft a little bit. Someone should do that with like a bunch of water and build a house of water with this trick. That'd be cool. Lava lamp experiment. Bro, I love lava lamps. I'm not gonna lie, I might buy a lava lamp for my room. Or maybe I don't need to buy one. I can make one. Baking soda, vegetable oil. Okay, pour some vinegar in there. Why does every science experiment have vinegar or food coloring? Use flashlight for extra effect. Okay, mix it together. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Whoa. Bro, lava lamps, I could stare at them all day. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I actually love lava lamps. They're so interesting. Like, look at that. How could you not stare at that all night? Want to see a magic trick? Yes, sir. Actually, do you guys want to see a magic trick? You see this pen? Oh my gosh. That went in my nose and I just licked it. Ugh. Let me do it again, though. Woo! Okay, never mind. Sorry. All right, want to see a magic trick? Let's see this. All right, she's blowing bubbles. Is that the magic trick? Just blowing bubbles? What is the person in the background doing? Are they, like, exercising? Oh, wait, it changed colors. Okay, that was pretty cool. That was a cool magic trick. Pop it up. Simple science for kids running spiders. Oh, nah, this is not a magic trick. This is a nightmare. No. Okay, heck to the no, bro. Okay, that actually looks kind of cool, though. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, okay, that's actually cool. Experiment. Okay, we got 4 spoons, a battery, and a cap. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this is about to be fake. Okay, yeah, this is fake. I knew it. Before it even started, that's fake. There's no way that's real. There's no way that's real. The cap just starts floating like Harry Potter.
You know, if you glue a magnet onto a Dremel like I've done here.
Okay.
The poles facing outwards. So those black sides of the magnet are the north and south poles. And if you spin it really fast in the presence of another magnet here.
Oh no, what's gonna happen?
Levitate. And not just sort of hover above the ground, but you can actually get it to lock in position relative to this.
All right, let's see it. Stop all the yapping.
The magnet to be facing upwards, either north or south. It doesn't.
Okay.
Find starting at a slow speed and slowly ramping it up works best.
Is it floating? Okay, it's still not really floating. Still not floating. Wait, is it floating? Oh! Okay, that's actually crazy. What? Okay, that's actually mind-blowing. Oh my gosh. Wait, levitation is real. Maybe that's how we make flying cars. We get 2 magnets. I don't know. Maybe build the road out of magnets. Toilet paper tornado with fan. Whoa! That's okay. Why am I 23 years old thinking that's actually fun? Because that actually looks fun. I'm not going to lie. Come on. Toilet paper tornado. I might need to start doing that around my house. Simple science for kids. All right, let's see it. Cut a water bottle in half. Cover with a wipe. Bro, see, every science experiment has food coloring. Watch, let me guess. We get vinegar, dish soap, water. Aw, they're lucky. No vinegar. Whoa, okay, that's pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. See, that's a science experiment I would actually do at home.
Ever wondered why people don't sink when they run on this strange liquid? At first
What
glance,
even
it
is
might
that?
look like a magic trick. Or maybe it's not even a liquid. But nope, it's real science. In this viral clip, a man punches the liquid, and the harder he hits it, the more solid it becomes.
Is that
but when
even
he slowly
liquid?
dips his hand in, it sinks with no resistance.
Okay, it is
this
liquid.
substance is known as a non-newtonian fluid, and it doesn't behave like normal
That
liquids.
kind of looks like
In fact,
quicksand.
Fact, it breaks Newton's law of viscosity. The faster or harder you apply pressure, the more its particles lock together, temporarily acting like a solid. That's why you can see people running, flipping, and walking across a pool of it without sinking, as long as they keep moving.
Bro, I kind of want to jump on that. That looks satisfying. Fireworks in a glass. Okay, this sounds dangerous. Definitely don't do this. Of course, more food coloring, as always. Okay, mix it. Pour a thin of oil. How does this make fireworks? Oh, okay, that looks cool. Whoa, that's better than a lava lamp, actually. Oh my gosh. Forget the lava lamp. I'm gonna have this in my room. 2 magnets, so simple. Bro. Maybe magnets is actually how you levitate. What the heck? Bro, that's actually so sick. Imagine you had a phone charger like that. Like your phone was just floating like this and charging. Maybe I thought of a new invention. I don't know. All right, we got some water. Some sodium acetate. What is that? Heat it up. Then burp on it. Sorry. Pour into the Petri dish. Dip. Whoa. Okay, this is how Elsa got her powers from Frozen. That looks like when she's shooting like the Frozen out of her hands.
Let's make corn dance with science.
Dancing
Pour
corn?
kernels into water. Try not to make
What?
a mess like me. Add baking soda, vinegar, and watch.
See,
your
vinegar
corn
or food
dance.
coloring. And the corn is dancing? Oh my gosh. Whoever figured that out had to be bored. They're like, I'm so bored. Oh, let me figure out how to make corn dance. Like, who thinks of that? Science experiment. All right, we got some ice and water. Is this the morning routine? Ashton Hall, put your face in it. Get some string and salt. Wait a minute, okay. That's the science experiment? Bro, who's doing that? See, like I said, some science experiments is just a waste of supplies.
This is how you can do this.
Whoa!
At home. Take hydrogen peroxide and pour some soda.
Oh my
inside.
gosh. Wait, what even
If you
is
have
hydrogen
potassium iodide
peroxide?
At home, that would be the best solution. But if not, use some yeast.
Okay.
Yeast contains an enzyme which breaks hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen.
Oh, and it
this
just
reaction is also
squirts
exothermic,
out, okay.
which means it releases heat. Follow check to see more cool chemistry experiments.
Nice. Maybe I'll try that at home whenever I'm bored. Simple science for kids. Soda can crusher. Empty can plus water. Heat it up. Ice. Another Ashton Hall. Put your face in it. Steam means it's ready. And then it crushes the can. Cool. Like I said, what's the point? Like, why? All right, but anyways, that's going to be it for today. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, subscribe. But I'm Foltyn.